In 2025, Roblox has fully rolled out text chat functionality on PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 consoles, enabling seamless cross platform communication between players on different devices. However, unlike Xbox consoles, PlayStation systems do not have a permanent disable option for text chat. Instead, the primary method available is to hide the chat window temporarily during gameplay. To hide the text chat window, start by pressing the Options button on your PlayStation controller while you are in a Roblox game. This button is located on the right side of the controller. After pressing the Options button, look for a prompt that says RB to hide chat or similar text. Press the RB button, which is the right bumper button, to toggle the chat window's visibility on and off. Some games may offer alternative methods to interact with the chat. You might be able to move the cursor directly to the chat window and type a message, or press the touchpad on your controller to display the text chat interface. It's important to understand that Roblox is currently transitioning from the legacy chat system to text chat service. Games that still use the older legacy chat system may not fully support console text chat features, which could affect your ability to hide or interact with chat on PlayStation consoles. Remember that hiding the chat window is currently the primary method available on PlayStation consoles. While this doesn't permanently disable the feature, it provides a way to reduce distractions during gameplay when needed. While you cannot completely disable text chat on PlayStation, you can manage various communication aspects through Roblox's settings. Understanding these options will help you control your chat experience effectively. First, check your privacy settings to ensure there are no unwanted restrictions on your communication. Navigate to your account settings and look for the Security section, where you can manage various privacy controls. Parents can manage communication settings for child accounts through parental controls. These settings allow you to restrict who can chat with your child by choosing between everyone or no one options for both direct chat and inexperienced chat. If you're experiencing issues with text chat, here are several troubleshooting steps you can follow. Start by ensuring your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Then check that cross-platform play is enabled in your settings. Keep in mind that text chat availability may be account-specific during the rollout phase. If text chat is enabled on one account but not another, this is normal, as Roblox gradually enables the feature across all users. Finally, for easier typing when text chat is available, consider connecting a USB or Bluetooth keyboard to your PlayStation console. This will make communication much more convenient than using the controller for text input.